to this video. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy airtime VTU and make up to 4% discount on the go. Now, this is going to be a mind-blowing video because, of course, in Nigeria today, you see that to get a platform where you can actually source airtime VTU at a very cheaper price is not actually easy to get, okay? Now, but in this video, I'm going to be showing you a platform which is called Vent Africa that enable you to actually get a whopping 4% discount on airtime purchase, right? You can see it's written boldly on the platform. Now, this is a mind-blowing opportunity for you. My name is Shedrach, and welcome to the channel. This channel is dedicated to train you on how to make money using various approaches, especially on telecommunication. So do well to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video because we are going to be making updates in the regular upcoming series days and week and months and years. So do not leave without subscribing. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever we make an update, just like this particular one you're watching, we will notify right away. Now, to get started using this platform, all you have to do is to go to ventafrica.com.ng. Okay, just go to your browser and type ventafrica.com.ng. Once you are here on ventafrica.com.ng, what is ventafrica.com.ng? It's a platform where you can actually buy airtime, data, cable, electricity on the go in Nigerian market. And of course, it's completely automated. Automated means that both funding an account, buying the product is actually done automatically by the system. So, or you don't need to actually contact admin for maybe peradventure you want to buy products, maybe you want to fund your wallet. Everything is automated on the platform, and that's the beauty of the platform. So you can also download the mobile app to your Android device. That if you have Android phone, you can download and install the app to get started. But if you don't, you can use the web browser to access the system. So to get started, you need to click on login or register. Okay. Now I already have an account, but I just want to show you how to get the whole process, okay? Just for people that are new and have not been able to hear about this platform for the first time. So to get started, it's very simple. All you have to do is to log into an existing account by providing either your email or phone number, then your password. So the system will automatically, and then click on login. The system will automatically log into your own dashboard, your own vendor account, okay? So, but if you are new to the platform, all you have to do is to click on create account, okay? So once you click on create account here, it will take you to the place where you need to fill a form. This form you are filling here will enable you to have a vendor account with the platform, okay? So you have to put your first name, your last name, your password, and your phone number. And also you confirm that you're a robot. You are not a robot, I mean to say. So by clicking this, as in like, okay, clicking on this, I am not a robot. So the system will automatically verify that you are not a robot. And then those of you that are registering, make sure that you click on create account. Then make sure you put your email address, the right email address. And once you put your email address, check your inbox or spam folder. Don't just check your inbox alone, but check also your spam folder to see the verification code that the system sent for you. Because the system will always send you a code to verify your registration. So check your inbox or spam folder. Don't just check only the inbox, but check your spam folder as well to actually get the email. Okay, so once you get that, you can then log into your account. I already have an account, as I said. It's just for me to show you how to get started. Now, remember, this video is all about how to get airtime VTU at a cheaper price in Nigeria using Vent Africa as a platform. So if you're enjoying value on this video, please subscribe to the channel, like and share this video, and tell me on the comment section, oh, Shedrach, this video is helpful to me. I was able to buy airtime on this platform. So let me know on the comment section. So once you're logged in, the first thing that you notice is the announcement box that explains to you what is going on the platform. So make sure you read through and then click on this hand to remove it. So the first thing you should do is to add money into your wallet, which is very simple as well. All you have to do is to click on credit wallet, okay? Click on this credit wallet. Then here you'll be given your own unique dedicated account, okay? Make sure you don't pay through this because this is my own account, okay? Your own will be different from there. So always pay to the Money Point account because Money Point network is always good. And then once you have money on your account, you can then transact, okay? So quickly, I'm going to show you how to buy airtime on the platform. It's 100% easy to get started. All you have to do once you have loaded money in your wallet is to click on airtime, okay? Click on airtime menu there, then select VTU, right? Once you click on airtime, select VTU as the product tab, okay? Don't select any other one, but select VTU. So click on this recharge. Once you click on that, you select the network that you want to actually recharge, either MTN, Airtel, Glo, Line Mobile, okay? So each of them that you select will now give you a room to configure what you want to buy, okay? For instance, I want to recharge MTN. If I want to recharge MTN, just click on that and then put a particular, the amount that I want to recharge. Once I'm setting that I want to recharge this, then I'm going to put in the phone number that will be top up. This phone number here has to do with the number in which you want the airtime to deliver. Then the amount here has to do with the amount you want to recharge, right? And it must not be greater than your available balance. So that's what you should also understand on this, okay? So once you are done with putting the parameters, then you click on proceed, okay? Click on this proceed as a call to action. So once you click on that, it will take you, direct you to a kind of a place where you can confirm your transaction, right? So you can see the transaction, then you can see the discount. You can see the discount I'm going to get for MTN purchase, but for other network is quite way cheaper than this, okay? But MTN seems to be a very, MTN is one of the sophisticated network in terms of telecom. So I'm just going to click, once you ascertain everything is okay, click on buy airtime, then the system will automatically process the transaction. So you can see it now, the system has now processed the transaction. So if you say you want to buy again, you can say buy again or no. So this is how to buy airtime. For those of you that are saying, okay, Shedrach, I didn't understand this. I want to get it more. So I'm just going to do one more purchase on MTN. Then I'm going to show you network that you can actually get up to 4% discounts. Okay. So remember, this is actually what's called a channel where you actually learn a lot, especially on telecommunication. So don't go away without subscribing to the channel. So subscribe, like, and share this video. Subscribing and liking and sharing the video will go a long way to make us, connect to you, so that anytime you have videos like this, you'll be able to be notified right away. So I'm just going to recharge more on this just to show you that everything is working. Once you have balance in the system, the transaction is going to be pushing through. You don't actually contact that. This particular platform, which is vendorafrica.com.ng, is one of the platforms that you don't even need to contact admin to do anything at all. Everything is handled by the system. Okay, registration, funding of wallets, just like you've seen, to buying products is all handled by the system automatically. So you don't need to actually bother contacting admin. It is like an app that is dependent on you. Okay, you can see everything is going through. You can see I've just making another recharge. Now, as someone that is want to look for a place where you can be reselling airtime, you can also use this platform. So you can see that once you are making recharges, this time we're going to be reading up everything. It's going to be telling you what is happening on the go, as like the flow chart of how the transaction is going. It's going to be telling you that, okay, you're making progress for the day. So now I want to show you now the network that enable you to get this product at a cheaper rate, more than what you are getting it. Like MTN, what's it called? AirtimeVTU is 2.5%. Okay. Now you may ask yourself, what other network Shedrach that we actually promise you 4% on this platform? Now the network we are talking about here is called Glo. Okay, so if you have a Glo, you want to recharge Glo. So if you click on this Glo here, and for instance, I want to recharge 100 naira. I don't have a Glo line at the moment, but I'm just going to show you something, just demonstration. Click on proceed. The system will take you to the checkout system. So you can see here, it's not even 4%, guys. It is actually 5%. Okay, so you can see here you're getting Glo for 5%, not even 4%, guys. This is mind blowing. So for those of you that are looking for a place where you can get airtime at a cheaper price, then go for this platform. Okay, now if you're also interested to own a VTU website of your own, where you can actually sell data, airtime, data, and also other bill payments, and also run the business, then come here and click on reseller. You can see reseller here. You'll be able to see reseller tab. Also contact admin. Admin is available 247 to actually attend to you. Use the link in the show of this video to request for your own VTU website based on this technology. Okay. So, but then if you're a vendor watching this video, there's no problem. You can start this business using this approach I've just told you. The way you buy airtime is the same way you buy data. The difference is just that this one is data. All you have to do is to click on data tab, then select buy data. Datas are also very cheap on the platform. For instance, Airtel here, you can see that Airtel here, gifting, that's corporate gifting. You can get it for as low as 225 naira for the platform. And everything is going accordingly, as in seamlessly automated. Now, let me shock you because people will say, okay, most platforms that you once after you make your payment, for instance, you fund your wallet, then for you to buy product, it becomes another headache because their platform is not working. So quickly, I'm going to be using my Airtel. I'm just like trying to recharge through the Airtel line just to show you that this thing is working. Okay, so you shouldn't say, Shedrach, this platform is only buying, it's only airtime. No, both data and airtime is working here, guys. It is 100% working here. So I just put in the Airtel number, and then I'm going to click on continue, just to show you that this thing is working out. So here, I just have to confirm the whole thing. Remember, this is 500 megabytes, and the amount is actually 124 naira, right? So I can actually say this for 150 for end customer. That is for those of you that want to do a data reseller business. You can use this as a avenue for doing that. So click on buy data. The system will automatically send the data to that particular line, which is my line. Actually, I specified my line, not your own line, sir. You can see now successful. The transaction is what successful. You can see it now. The transaction is successful. And then I'm going to do also airtime, what's called MTN, just to prove that this platform is working. It's not only what's it called Airtel. Oh, also MTN is also working. So I'm going to just to show you what is happening here. So use this platform. This platform is boom, guys. It is boom, and I want you to use this platform. I don't want you to be going through other process or other platform. I want you to settle with this platform, which is Vent Africa. Okay, Vent Africa is the go, guys. Is the go, guys. Is the boom, guys. And I want you to use it to do your top up. So I just want to put my what's it called? I put the number of gig I want to purchase, and then put the phone number. Then click on proceed. Right? It's very, very simple. It's the simplest platform so far, and you can see everything that's happening directly on the platform. So if you enjoy value on this video, please subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. Then I'm going to just click on buy data. Remember, this is MTN. The other one is Airtel that I purchased. So you can see that everything is happening. I can see it's successful. Every transaction is happening automatically on this platform. And that is the beauty of Vent Africa. In fact, it's meant for every Nigerians, every Africans. Even if you are not from Nigeria, you can also use the platform. Sorry about that. But that's it. You can see everything is happening. And once you are doing transaction, your balance is going to be reducing. You can see when we started the video, we have up to 700 and something naira, but right now it's 276 naira. Now, that is the power of this platform. And if you go to transaction history, you can be seen every transaction you are doing be recorded in real time. Okay. So you can see all the transaction that I'm doing is recorded. So what are you waiting for? Use the link in the show notes video to sign up on this platform. And then check our upcoming video on how to start data reseller business with Vent Africa and make a lot of money. Then if you are new to data reseller business or maybe Vent Africa as a whole, watch the video that is popping up that will show you exactly how to use this platform. And also there's videos that explain how to actually order this VTU website that is based on data reseller business, or also start it on a mega ground by owning for yourself a VTU dedicated website based on data Vent Africa platform. So having said that, I'm going to see you in the very next video. Until then, keep winning on telecom business. I remain your host, Mr. Shedrach. Bye for now.